I'm a party man. I will never change party. I will remain in PDP. I die here.
So are you giving us your word
Yes,
for your word?
certainly. Certainly.
Whether from the south or from the north?
Certainly. But I'm praying for a southern candidate.
But should the southern are not a bench, what will be your reaction?
I remain in the party. What option do I have? Party is supreme. This party that gave me platform to become a governor, why should I abandon it? To which party again? By the way, where are the options? Which other party is available in Nigeria? Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Our great party, the PDP, for organizing one of the most orderly conventions in the history of our party. Let me also hope and pray the way this convention has been organized, that is how the voting is going to be organized in a credible, transparent, and acceptable process. This convention is unique, is historic. It is unique because that is the last in the era of the APC. It is historic because it is going to give our great party the opportunity to take over government in this country and the states. Therefore, distinguished delegates, I want to appeal to you for unity in this party. No matter the provocation, no matter the sabotage, no matter the discrimination that may be meted out to you, all these are temporary. The most important thing for us is to unite to make sure our party wins coming elections. I am distressed to add that our party officials have felt frustrated, has felt excluded in the processes that have taken place in many states in the country. I want to appeal to those who are angry, who are frustrated, who feel discriminated. I want to appeal to them to bear with the party. It is a matter of time. They say there is no condition that is permanent. So, God bless you all. Thank you very much.
I expect our party, the PDP, to return to power and create jobs. Above all, I want to say that Nigeria is a nation in search of nationhood. It's a country in search of nationhood. Today, the process for that search starts with this event. We know that the country will be on the march once again. By the event of tonight, if I earn your vote, if you support me, if you vote me in, I will lead that search to gain and regain our search to nation. I will reunify Nigeria, I will build consensus, and I will restore the country of nations. Distinguished delegates, give me together to make Nigeria great again. I thank you, and again I welcome you. Thanks. Udom Gabriel Emmanuel. I want to welcome all of you to this moment. I call this a moment of determination, a moment that will define where our party goes, where Nigeria goes, a moment where that instantaneous that you are going to do will define what this country will, whether we will continue moment or will accept into the moment. Today, that thumb printing is not just a thumb printing. That thumb printing will define the next generation. That thumb printing will define the direction. Where your thumb printing goes today, that's where our party goes. That's where Nigeria goes. I stand to solicit the support of all our party men. That here standing before you is a man with capacity to lead Nigeria, to rescue Nigeria, to restore Nigeria, to rebuild the economy of Nigeria. A man with creativity, a man with integrity, a man with sincerity of purpose, a man that understands what Nigeria needs. And I want to let you know, what Nigeria needs is already what I'm providing. So you don't need any other solution. The solution to the security, to the economy, to the infrastructure, to the foreign policy, to development of this country, I already provide at a sub-national level. A vote for Udom Emmanuel today is a vote for hope, restoration for Nigeria. It's a hope and to restore Nigeria. Why? Because what Nigeria needs is what I'm providing at the sub-national level. I don't have time to tell you, but believe me, the security, the economy, the capacity, the creativity, what Nigeria needs, I've already provided. Thank you, fellow party men and women. Thank you for your vote. God bless you all. PDP!
Peter, the Rock, Hiroshi, the Oshokomole. Thank you. I want to remind you that I was a two-term governor of Ekiti State. And two different attempts. That means, if given this opportunity, I will be President Muhammadu Buhari in a lifetime victory. Let me remind you that if I were to be a prophet, I would be making a lot of money. I told you, if this man at the time, if the man was elected and Nigerians didn't elected him, today we are suffering. I told you, President Muhammadu Buhari has nothing to offer, and the party APC is and will remain a party of people who never meant well for our country. Therefore today, I'm calling on all of you to equally remember that PDP should be the bigger picture. PDP should be the party.
And beyond everything else, we are on the threshold of history. Nigeria is on the precipice Nigeria is passing a very trying time. We need to sit down and reflect very deeply. We need to really take responsibility as patriots, because we have never reached this time of kind of stage in our national life. Beyond everything, as I said, we need to have some deep sense of introspection. The delegates are the most important here. You are representing us and representing 250 million people. I offer myself, as I said, to serve this nation, to give you a little from what I have gained from the nation. I'm someone with a modest background, a media man, a journalist, a civil servant, a parliamentarian, a distinguished senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, an honorable minister of the Federal Capital Territory. Today,
Already absconded, but I am still standing. So, what do I have to offer Nigeria? Number one, I am an example of a child of diversity, with a father from a state, a mother from Osun State, with grandparents who were Muslims and parents who were Christians. If you talk about education, which is one of the areas I would like to develop in Nigeria, I come from a family of teachers. My oldest brother is a professor of physics. My sister retired as a primary school teacher. I was a teacher myself. I was a village teacher. I was a lecturer. Education is very key. Most of the problems we have in Nigeria today will be solved if we have leaders who are well educated and who believe in education. If you are talking about insecurity, before becoming the president, I'm already acting presidential. I've been going around Nigeria, speaking to critical stakeholders and giving them hope that President Lele Momodu will be able to reunite Nigeria, will be able to create employment. You cannot give what you don't have. We have leaders who have not managed business successfully.
My name is Tabi Oba Oliver, and I am a Nigerian. I will tell you why. I was born in Lagos. My father is from Delta. My mother is from Bayelsa. My grandmom is from Oyo. My paternal grandmom, she's from Benue State. My husband is from Igbo State. And I am Nigerian. Yes, the path to our problem is to give the power back to the local government. It is not a coincidence that representatives from the 774 local government right here as the delegates. It is the time to take the power back to the local government. We have a security system that is based on the local government structure. Nigeria will be secure. If we have electricity at the local government level, Nigeria will have light. And if we have technology, where every community has access to internet, we will do.
Nigeria is at the crossroad. We are in the critical moment in the lives of our country. We are therefore compelled as patriots to come together, work together, rescue this country, and rebuild it together. I accepted to throw my hat into the ring following consultation with various strata of the people of this country, believing that by the grace of God, I possess the qualities, the experience, and necessary intellect required for the discharge of office of the President of Nigeria. By training, I'm a lawyer and indeed a member of the body of benchers and a live bencher for that matter. I have been in the legislature, in the House of Representatives for 12 consecutive years, uninterrupted, and I rose to become the Speaker of the House of Representatives of this great country of ours. I am now serving as Governor of Sokoto State.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.